Assalamualaikum students. Today, since we are in 9th standard and I am going to take a new topic for you all. This is a quite interesting topic that we are going to learn. Something, we are going to work in characters, that is coordinates, and hence today I am going to take an interesting topic, that is coordinate geometry from Maths 2. So open chapter number 7. So you all are ready to learn these new concepts? Yes. Inshallah, I will make this chapter very interesting and I will make you masters in this. Okay? Sure. Let's start. Now, from 5th standard or 6th standard onwards, we all have seen the number line. And previously, when we started with our geometry, we have seen what is number line. Yes? So basically, a number line where there are numbers. What kind of numbers are there on a number line?
Integers.
Very good. There are integers on a number line. So let us plot those numbers on it. So we start, whenever we write integers on a number line, we start with 0. So let us mark. This is 0. After every centimeter, 1 unit, we mark the points. So 1, this is 2, on the left hand side,
Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3,
and so on. The number doesn't end. Right? If I ask you, where is 3? Where is 3? Can you see on the number line? Where is 3?
Yes.
Where it is? On the right hand side or on the left hand side?
Right.
So on the right hand side. So we can mark this out. That this is the number. If I ask you, where is minus 2? It is lying on which side?
Left side.
Exactly. So if I ask you, what you will do? This is minus 2. So you can easily mark the points on a number line. And this is a one-dimensional figure. But if I take a point outside the number, this number line, can you tell me which point is this? Why? If I mark the point P outside the number line, can you tell me what is the number on it? What is the number where the P is lying?
1.5.
Can we tell? It is outside the line. When it is on the line, I can just tell me, the minus 3 is on the left hand side or it is on the right hand side. But if the point is lying outside the number line, can we tell which is that particular point? No. We cannot tell what is the particular number over here. Why? Because that point P is not lying on the number line. So for this reason, we need what we need? Coordinates. We require coordinate, and for that we need a Cartesian plane. So let us move on. What is Cartesian? So here, to mark the point P, we require 2 lines on a graph paper. That is called as the x-axis, which forms a horizontal line. There are 2 lines basically. One is the x-axis, which is horizontal, and one is the other vertical line, that is called as a y-axis. So let us mark. lines which everyone can see. One is the horizontal line and one is the vertical line. The very first thing is that we are going to mark which axis is what. So the horizontal line is called as the x-axis. The vertical line that you already can see is y-axis. And both these axes are meeting somewhere. That intersection, yes, that intersection is called as the origin, and it is marked as 0. But this is on the plane. We are going to work on a graph because I want that point to be somewhere on this Cartesian plane. Now this, when we have an x-axis and the y-axis, now that plane, it is in a plane and it is called as a Cartesian plane. So now I am taking a graph paper for yours. Let's move on, I will take a ribbon. So here I have drawn a horizontal line and another one a vertical. Then we will just name this. This is x-axis, y-axis, and this is the origin. Now we can mark the points on, yes, it is not visible. Now it is visible?
Yes.
This axis, which is x-axis and y-axis, now this is in a Cartesian plane. So this figure is what this is a 2D sheet. Why? Because here we have x-axis as well as y-axis. Now let us mark the integers inside it, because as we know on a number line we have positive numbers as well as negative numbers.
Yes.
Okay, so here also we have negative numbers as well as positive numbers. So let us mark here. After every 1 centimeter, 1 unit, we are going to put a 1. Yeah, 1. This is basically this origin is the meeting point where the numbers starts. Okay. Till 5. So here there are positive numbers as well as negative numbers. Now we are going to write on the vertical axis starting from 0. When we go upside, the numbers are positive. When we go below bottom, the numbers will be negative. Okay, so here also we are going to start with that only 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whereas below if we go, the numbers will be in negative. I'm so sorry. Now, on this graph, we have x-axis and y-axis. Earlier on a number line, we were just having a number. Now, since we are working on graph, we have x-axis and y-axis. That means here we are working on 2 coordinates. And that coordinates will be, when we work on x-axis, it will be x. And when we work on y-axis, it will be y. So when we mark any point on graph paper, anywhere, wherever we want, coordinates, the point will be in the form of
X and
x comma y. Why? Because when we choose any point on a graph paper, we have x coordinate as well. We are working on x axis as well as on y axis. So the coordinates will be in the form of x comma y. Now this x comma y is called as ordered pair. Okay, note down this. Whenever if I see say ordered pair, point P, write in the form of ordered pair. So ordered pair, when we hear this word, okay, then we have to write the points in the form of x comma y. Okay. Now here again see I have marked a point P. वो भूला हुआ P है ना on a number line. It was not on a number line. It was outside the number line. Now I have plotted that point P on a graph paper on a Cartesian plane. Now can anyone tell me what is the ordered pair of this point P? Can anyone try? Because in the ordered pair, the first coordinate is x, the second coordinate is y. So can anyone try?
4 comma minus 3.
एक मिनट. What is telling us? 4. Now see when we are writing x मतलब x axis पे ध्यान देने का है. X axis पे कौन सा point है? Where it is? 4. And on y axis, when we work on y axis, 4. Yeah, I'm writing here. I just forgot. Why? See why? 3. So the ordered pair for this point P is 4. समझ में आई बात? अच्छा, now see here the x axis समझ में आया ना? Okay. Now see here, ये जो x axis and y axis is there ना, it is divided into different sections. Can anyone see? Sections, can you see?
Yes.
Can you see sections? Huh? Where it is? Sections means what? Division A, division B, division C. It's a section. Now where are the sections? Because of this x-axis and y-axis, the whole plane is divided into 4 sections. Can anyone see?
Yes.
From here. Yes. This is the.
Yes.
This is the first one, the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one. लेकिन there is a special name. Quadrants. Exactly. So now we are going to work on quadrants. This is a very nice new topic about the quadrants. Quadrants means sections. Why it has been named as quadrants? Why it has been named as quadrants?
Because of Cartesian plane.
Because of Cartesian plane. No, this is a Cartesian plane itself. Why? These sections are called as quadrants. This is a new topic, my children. Tell me, दिमाग लगाओ. Quadrants. Very nice, very good. Quadrants. The Cartesian plane is divided into 4 sections. 4 sections है. That is why. And we are working on basically sections. That is why it is called as a quadrants. अच्छा, now quadrants इधर उधर नहीं होता है. It is not here and there. It has specifically name like our clock. Our watch moves. How it moves, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise because it is a clock. But here we have to work anti-clockwise. Ulta. So this is written in a Roman numbers. So this one is called as a first pair. So now we are going to work ulta anti-clockwise. This is called as our second quadrant. This is called as our third quadrant. And this is called fourth quadrant. We cannot change the place of these quadrants. If you change this place, game khatam. Abhi, now Amir is telling me, where are these quadrants used in real life? It is used. Can anybody tell me? Can anyone tell me where it is used in real life? These quadrants, this coordinate geometry, where it is used? क्या टीचर बकवास है ये? Where it is used? It is used. Tell me where it is used. I'll give one example.
Yes.
It is not in the book. It is in my mind. Once I will give you one example, you will tell. And give me another example.
Okay.
It is used in games. When we play the games, Roblox. है ना? How the Roblox work? It moves here and there.
Yes.
So the character is the coordinate and the the field is the plane. समझ में आई बात? So now you can give another example, real life example. Hey, हाँ बोल. Ludo? Yes, Ludo. It is a game. But beside game, give me another real life example. ये तो game खत्म हो गया. Real life example और एक है. जल्दी जल्दी.
Fan is moving, but the ceiling is plain.
Very good. See, when an engineer makes machines or bridge or buildings, they use this coordinate geometry. And so one more last example, jaldi. One more example. आसमान के नीचे, something is there.
The stars.
The stars. Yes, and it's right. The stars and the planets in the sky. So in geography, when we study the planets and the stars, the sky is our plane, and the sky is the plane, and the stars and the planets, they are the coordinates. And last but not the least, हम लोग सब यूज करते हैं गूगल मैप. जोमेटो कहाँ आया? मैं देखूँ तो जोमेटो का जो वो आदमी है ना, the person is our coordinate geometry and the Google map is the plane. समझ में आई बात?
Yes.
So coming back to this is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. See, the people around us, the teachers, the students, they have positivity and negativity. Even in this coordinate, we have positivity and negativity. In the first quadrant, you all can see ये देखो ordered pair
X and Y.
x and y. Okay, now you tell me the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, sign. The sign. In sign.
Positive and negative.
So here the x-axis is all positive numbers.
Yes.
Plus.
Positive. Plus positive.
So the ordered pair of this point will be positive. तो किसी ने बोला both the coordinates are positive. Why? It is lying in which quadrant? तो तुम लोग क्या बोलोगे?
First.
समझ में आई बात?
Yes.
Second one. See here again. Ordered pair.
Minus.
X-axis. अरे भाई ये तो सो रहा है. It is sleeping and it is on the negative side. Negative side. And on the y-axis it will be
Plus.
so the second order pair for second quadrant will be minus and plus. In the third one, the third coordinate. Yes, see here the x-axis is negative. Y-axis. And the last one, fourth quadrant. See?
And negative, yes.
Okay. So if I ask you a question, in which quadrant are the following points lying? Both the coordinates are negative. So
First
if I
quadrant.
both
Negative, third
coordinates
quadrant.
are lying in the
Second quadrant.
both coordinates are positive.
First quadrant.
First quadrant. Okay. First quadrant is negative. You. Furkan. First quadrant is negative, and the second coordinate is positive. What it is? Which it is lying in which quadrant? Negative, positive. Negative, positive. The coordinates are negative. The first x coordinate is negative. The second coordinate is positive.
Second one.
It is lying in the
Second quadrant.
ठीक है?
Yes.
Question 2.
Yes.
Now you tell me. अच्छा. यहाँ ही रहते. Paragraph बेटा. So we want to learn. Now I'm marking some points. Tell me is the ordered pair of this point C?
0 and 4. 0, 4.
Why 0?
Because we are working on y-axis.
Because we are working on y-axis. My dear children, please फटाफट tell me एक ही बोलो कोई. Anyone, please. Why? The Ibrahim was telling 0, 4. Why 0, 4? क्यों 0? Why 0?
Because it is like
Yes. See here. The first coordinate, that is x coordinate. It is nowhere. It is lying. The point is lying on the y-axis. It is not lying either on the x-axis or in the quadrants. So that is why it is useless. So that is why that is why the x coordinate will be 0, and that particular point is lying on the y-axis, positive 1. So that the ordered pair will be 4. Okay.
Yes.
I hope so. Today we have done quadrants. What are quadrants and how to plot it? Shall I take one quiz?
Yes, miss.
My quiz is not there. Select the correct option for coordinates of the points are shown on this coordinate plane. See, the point R, which everyone can see. So, which will be the correct option? What is the coordinate?
Minus 4. Option C.
Minus 4. Option number?
C.
Let us see. Yes, this is the correct. In which quadrant will the point -2, -7 lie?
Third quadrant. Option C.